Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can deploy the built-in Lovable website to Hostinger in a very easy way. So let's get started. So guys, you can see that this website is a restaurant-related website which we have built using Lovable. And this website includes multiple pages here. You can see that there are quite a few multiple pages included here. So today we will learn how to deploy this website to Hostinger. For this, we first need to connect a GitHub account to our Lovable website. I already have a GitHub account here. I have already set it up. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you will need to create one. Now, we will learn how to connect this GitHub account to your Lovable account. For this, we will go to our settings. After settings, if you scroll down a little, you will see the Git option here. And after that, you will click on GitHub here. So I have already connected my GitHub account here. If your GitHub account is not connected here, you will click on Add Connection. And after that, you will see the Add Account option here. So you can click on Add Account to connect your GitHub account with Lovable. So after this, our next process will be to go back to our Lovable dashboard. After that, we will transfer this project to our GitHub. So for this, what we need to do is look at the three dots you see here. So click on these three dots. And after clicking on the three dots, you will go to Settings here. After going to Settings, you will see the Git option here. So you will come to Git. And after this, you will click on GitHub again. So as soon as you click on GitHub, you will see the Connect option here. So you will click on this Connect option here. So as soon as you click on this Connect option, the process will start below, where this project of yours will be added to GitHub account. So guys, here you will get a link to open GitHub and we will copy it from here and we will paste it here. You can see that a repository has been created here in my GitHub account. The name of this repository is Modern Plate Jam, and all our files that were in Lovable have now been transferred here. Now what we will do is download the zip folder of this file. For this, we will click on the code. You will see a green button here. So we will click on it here and you will see an option below that says download zip. So we will click on that. So now our zip file has been downloaded. So let's move on to the next step. So we will open this zip file. So this file has arrived in our downloads and we will now extract this zip file here. So this zip file has been extracted. Now what we need to do is copy all the files inside this folder. After that, we will go here and paste them. And after that, we will delete the folder that has now become empty. All the files you see inside this folder are raw files. We will need to convert all these files into executable files. Because if we upload these raw files directly to Hostinger, they will not work. And to make them work, we need to convert these files into executable files. So to convert these files into executable files, we are going to use Antigravity. So we will come to the Antigravity dashboard and here we will go to Files and after that we will select the folders for which we need to convert in executable files. Okay, so all our files have been uploaded here in Antigravity. Now what we need to do is convert all these files into executable files using Antigravity. For this we will use a prompt here, which is I want to host this site on Hostinger. Please install all necessary dependencies and run a production build. Once file finished, show me where the dist file is. So come on, let's run this prompt from here. So our entire process has started here now and This process will take a little time to finish, and you will need to have a little patience here. So guys, our process is now completely finished, and a folder named dist has been created here. So all the executable files have been added inside this dist folder, and next step is deploy these files to Hostinger. For this, it is essential that you have an account with Hostinger. And if you want to purchase Hostinger, we have provided the link in the description. If you purchase Hostinger plan for 12 months or above, then use the link provided in description. You will get 20% discount. In Hostinger, if you look here, you will see 3 plans. Out of these 3 plans, you can choose the one that you feel is right for your business. So I have already purchased Hostinger, and this is how its dashboard will look to you. So I am going straight to websites now, and I have already included quite a few websites here. I will open one of these websites here. And I open this website because I want to create a subdomain here. So I will come to domains here. Inside this domain, I will go to subdomains. So you will see an option for subdomains here. So I am creating a subdomain here now. I am creating it because I am building this website for testing purposes. So I will name this domain here by restaurant. I will set the name of this domain here, and then we will create it. Now our subdomain is ready. Now we will go straight to Files. Inside Files, a section called File Manager will open here. And we will click on the Access Files option here. As soon as you click on Access Files, you will see an interface like this where you will find a folder called Public HTML. So you will click on that. As soon as you click that, a folder will be created here for the subdomain you just made. A folder will be created. So you will open this folder here. After that, you will see a default.php file inside this folder, which you need to remove from here. So we will delete it from here. So our folder is now completely empty. Now, our dist folder, we will now upload our dist folder into the restaurant folder that we created inside public_HTML. So let's upload it now. So we will click on our folder. And we opened our folder. We selected our dist folder here, and we will upload it here. So all the files inside the dist folder have now been uploaded here. Now we will open this dist folder. Now we will select all the files inside it by pressing Ctrl+A. And after that, we will right-click and we will move all these files directly into the restaurant folder. So guys, all the files that were inside the dist folder have now been moved into the restaurant folder. And our dist folder here is now completely empty. So we will delete it from here. So guys, all the files have now been deployed here. So let's see how our website looks now. For that, we will go back to our domains and we will copy the subdomain we created here. After that, we will paste it here. So guys, you can see that the website has been deployed to Hostinger exactly as we created it in Lovable. All of its menus are working properly here. So guys, through this video, you must have learned how you can deploy any website built in Lovable to Hostinger in this way. So that's all for today's video. We also provide AI-friendly website development services. If you need any help regarding that, you can book free 30-minute consultation call with our expert. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.